Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can quickly and easily enable roaming on your iPhone. Be sure, friends, put your like to this video before watching. Also subscribe to our channel and don't forget to write your comments after watching. Well friends, let's get down to our topic with you. And to begin with, I want to say that before you enable roaming mode on your iPhone, you need to make sure or check with your mobile operator that you have roaming option on your mobile package, that it is available to you, because if it is not available, you will not be able to activate it. Now friends, if you are sure that the roaming option is available to you, please open your settings. And then you'll need to go to the cellular section. Next, you will need to click on Cellular Options where you will be able to see the roaming data. And just click on this button to connect them. And that's it. This is the quick method you can use to enable roaming on any iPhone, friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also be sure to put your likes. See you soon, friends.